Battlezone paintball.
First. In the dawn's first light, we gather our gear. The woods are calling, the blue team's near. With faces of stone and fire in our eyes, we march through the woods under pace-burning skies. The whistle blows, it's time to ignite. In this battle zone, we're ready to fight. This is Battlezone.